So yeah. And growing all bent over because of all the wind.
Tsunami sirens. There's one.
Oh, those are the tsunami sirens? Oh, okay. That's what we hear. Those things. When they're testing them. Yeah, those are crazy loud. And they sound they sound crazy. They sound like air raid sirens and like people talking over them, chatter and stuff. It's weird. There's another kite all the way up there. You could probably make a game of just running around like counting kites that you find. I love you. I hate you, yes. I hate you because you have a hateable personality. You just make me want to beat you. No. I'm snooping on your board now.
People of Cannon Beach as we come trolloping through your neighborhood.
Yeah. Causing ruckuses.
The ruckus.
Causing ruckuses.
The ruckus.
Oh, that's cute. Aww. That's cute.
Wish you well out front.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's cute. Ooh. Look at that up there. It's some kind of a Chinese dragon fish.